today, taking you guys with me. I always take you guys, but today I'm at the Porsche dealership. Excuse me. I'm at the Porsche dealership, gonna get some service done on the car. So we're doing two things today. The B pillar, I don't know, I think this is what it's called.
The headliner.
The headliner, yeah. The headliner of the car is kind of like coming up loose, and then also we're gonna get the dash fixed. So yeah.
Maybe I'll get a place that's right across the Notre Dame. The roof will be leaking, but I'll be as happy as they come. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what every Roman's loving 20-something woman wants? Midnight in I've always heard there's magic in the air.
So I wanted to get a new coffee cup, but I don't know. These are kind of cute. I like that one. You know, I like anything Porsche style. I'm a little shallow like that. Where's the coffee cup? I want the thinking of one of these. I don't know, silver or black. But I went to the other dealership and they had the 23, and I actually like 23. That's my favorite number. So, but they don't have it. Wow. These are cool. I mean, it has a little Porsche logo right here. How much is this? $9.50. Very nice. I should get a water bottle for my workout. What now? Ooh, I like this bike. How much is this? Oh, 10,700. Wow. That is a beautiful bike. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Wow.
Yeah, right. Watching people dance by sand. Midnight in Paris. Oh, what a feeling. Steps on cobblestones, thinking this must be La Vie en Rose.
This is what Carsa is getting for her birthday. When she turned 60 and her joints are no longer working. That's what you're getting.
Rude.
Yeah, it should go electrical when your joints are no longer working.
It's raining. And this is the car. So we got a loaner until they fix the headliner.
What? Like, because you know why? It's not that I don't want, you understand, we just moved to Florida and we're trying. I wanted something bigger. I kind of man drive around in little baby car.
How is this a little baby car?
I'm kidding, because the Macan is nice. You don't hear your wife is screaming, I said. Can't say no to chicken, always buying chicken. Are you guys the store that made it in the news for having long line?
I'm sorry?
Was it your store that has long line? I saw that in the
No,
news.
that was the Fort Lauderdale.
Ah.
The one right down.
Is this. I've been here for 18 months and this is the first time that we've actually all been in the same room. So I have just one thing to say, which is fuck COVID. That's the first thing we're going to say tonight. Whether it's real or not, guys, we're going to have fun tonight. So drink some tequila. I heard that we're not buzzing. So happy holidays, everyone. We're so glad that all of you made the commitment to come and to do this. Lives in Boca. He's a great guy, so please get to know him. But we're so glad that you're here, that you're part of this family, that you're part of this company. We say all the time, and if Maya was here, she would say that our job as brokers, our job as your managers, our job as the support staff in this room is to serve you. That's what we're here for. I hope you feel it. I hope you know it. I hope that sometimes on Saturdays at 6 o'clock we forget our phone number, but other than that, we do know how to turn it off on occasion, so we'll also do that.
But I think sad. But seeing everyone here tonight, and Chris will tell you, Chris and I have literally feel like we travel the world to these different holiday parties, to the different office meetings, to see all of you, touch all of you. I gotta say, there's such a special place in my heart for this region, this area, because this is where I started.
You know someone?
Cheers.
I only work with groups that have done at least 100 million this year. Really?
What are you drinking?
I thought.
So how was the party?
The drinks was good.
She had too much to drink. She doesn't even know. Look at that. She doesn't even know what she's doing. Celebration balloon.
Yeah, and I'm leaving with goodies.
Who goes to a party and leaves with a balloon?
Is he going now?
Come on, after you. She almost popped the Sotheby's balloon. What I hate about parties and going home. Hanging around the valet spot. Are you ready to wait for 30 minutes for your car? That's why I do not like valet. Oh my gosh, finally, Carsa still has this balloon. This Sotheby's balloon. Let me open the door for you.